Restoring sending privileges on Amazon Prime can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you regain those privileges. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Amazon Prime account and navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your account is in good standing and that there are no outstanding issues or restrictions. Step 2. Review sending limits. Look for any notifications regarding sending limits or restrictions. Amazon may have specific policies that limit your sending capabilities based on previous activity. Step 3. Update payment information. Ensure that your payment information is current and valid. Go to the payment settings and update any expired or incorrect details to avoid issues with your account. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your privileges are still restricted, reach out to Amazon customer support. Explain your situation and ask for assistance in restoring your sending privileges. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any updates or instructions. If you don't receive a response within a few days, consider following up to ensure your request is being processed. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Amazon Prime. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Amazon support team.